Today we take the another point of direct wages. It is wage system in a factory. First system is time wage system. The formula is time taken into wage rate. Another one is piece wage system, time allowed into wage rate. Halsey plan, it means a bonus plan. If you save the time, you get an extra bonus. Time taken into wage rate plus 50% of time saved into wage rate. Then Rowan plan, it is also one type of bonus plan. Time taken into wage rate plus W means your normal wage into time saved upon time allowed. Now we take some of this. For Meena, Pinu and Raju are 3 laborers in a factory. Standard time allowed to them 50 hours. Wage rate per hour 60 rupees. Right? Meena take 30 hours. Pinu take 40 hours. And Raju takes 50 hours. And find the wage according to all the 4 systems. Meena. You see, Meena take 30 hours out of 50 hours allowed. So 50 minus 30, 20 saved. It is time allowed, it is time taken, and this one is time saved. So first formula, time wage, time taken into wage rate. So 30 into wage rate given 60. So the answer is 1800. According to piece wage, formula is time allowed into wage rate. Time allowed 50 hours. So 50 into 60, 3000. According to Halsey plan, time taken 30 into wage rate 60 plus 50%, 20 hours saved, so 20 into 60, so 30 into 60 means 1800, 20 into 60 1200, and 50% of 1200 is 600. So the answer is 2400. According to Rowan, time taken into wage rate 30 into 60 plus W means this normal wage 30 into 60 1800 into time saved 20 hours saved out of 50 hours. So 1800 plus 720, the answer is 2520. Okay, same thing we do the another one. Pinu. Out of 50 hours, Pinu completed the job in 40 hours. It means 10 hours saving. First answer, time taken 40 into 60, so 2400. Another one, time allowed 50, wage rate 60, so 3000. According to Halsey, 40 hours taken into wage rate plus 50% and 10 hours saving, so 10 into 60, so 2400 plus 600, and 50% of 600 is 300, so 2700. Now Rowan plan, 40 into 60 plus 40 into 60 means 2400 into 10 hours saved out of 50. So 2400 plus 2400 into 10. So 24,000 divided by 50. So 480. So the answer is 2880 according to Rowan plan. And last one is Raju. 50 hours allowed and job completed also in 50 hours, means no saving. So according to time wage, time taken into wage rate means 50 into 60, 3000. As time taken and time allowed both is same, so piece wage answer also same, 3000. And there is no saving of time by Raju, so no answer according to LC plan means no bonus according to LC plan, and Rowan plan means only T into R. Then we say 50% TS into R, the answer is always 0. Still we check it out. TS into R, so 50 into 60 plus 50%, but no saving means 0. So again same answer. There is nothing for bonus. Same thing for Rowan also. 50 into 60 plus 50 into 60 means 3000. Time saved 0 out of 50 means only basic bonus, no additional bonus. Okay, so very easy one. Just replace the digits in the formula, your answer is ready.